Even though this amp is unplugged, it can still shock you. Welcome to Ohm Works Labs. I'm Dr. Ohms. Let me show you something. The capacitors in it store voltage even after it's unplugged. So make sure you drain the voltage off of the capacitors. Let me demonstrate. Here we have a small capacitor being charged through a power supply to about 6.5 volts. But as you see, when we remove the power supply, it still has voltage on it. It's going down because of the resistance in the ohm meter, but you want to make sure you discharge all that voltage, and you want to discharge it through a resistor and not just short it out. So if we take and short it to ground, you see it bleeds the rest of that voltage off. And now it's safe to work on. So if you like vintage tube amps, stick around as we turn this old Fender Musicmaster Bass amp into a pretty cool looking little guitar amp. See you next time.